Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into ethical hacking and focusing on a key tool used by hackers, the keylogger. We'll explore how it works, the risks it poses, and for educational purposes, we'll even walk through creating a simple keylogger using Python. Let's dive in. What is keylogger? A keylogger is a type of surveillance tool that records every keystroke typed on a computer's keyboard. This can capture sensitive information like passwords and personal messages. Keyloggers come in both software and hardware forms. Today we'll focus on software keyloggers. This image shows the workflow of a keylogger. The target executes the malware file, for example, Word document exe. The malware establishes a connection to the hacker's server. The malware captures and transmits the keystrokes from the target's keyboard. Now, let's create our own keylogger using Python. First, let's import the necessary libraries. We'll be using Socket for networking, ctypes to access Windows API for capturing keystrokes, and Time for managing our program's execution. Next, we establish a connection to a specific IP, 192.168.39.72, which is the hacker's IP address, and port 9000, where the attacker's server is listening. We'll use ctypes to load the user32.dll, which will allow us to capture the state of the keys. Now let's create a function to convert key codes into readable key names. We'll define an ASCII table for both special and regular keys. For instance, a computer might return 65 for A and 66 for B. You can refer to the complete ASCII table link in the description. Let's create the main function of our keylogger, which is responsible for capturing and sending keystrokes. We start by initializing an empty dictionary called keystates. This dictionary will keep track of whether each key is pressed or not. The while true loop ensures that our keylogger continuously monitors the keyboard. We use a for loop to iterate through all possible key codes from 0 to 255. This range covers all standard keys on the keyboard. For each key code, we use user32.getAsyncKeystate method to check if the key is currently pressed. If this condition is true, the key is pressed. We check the state of the caps lock key. If caps lock is off, we convert the key name to lowercase. Finally, we send the readable key name to the server. We add a short sleep interval of 10 milliseconds using time.sleep.01 to prevent the loop from consuming too much CPU power. Calling the main function, and that's it. Let's compile the code. I've uploaded these files to my GitHub repository, so you can download or clone them using Git. Open a terminal in the directory where the keylogger files are located. Run the build file to install the necessary packages and automatically compile it into the .exe format. As you can see, the keylogger file is disguised as a Word document to make it less suspicious. Alright, let's test our keylogger. We'll be using two machines for this demonstration. On the left side, we have our Kali Linux hacker machine. On the right side, we have our target Windows machine. We're going to start a Netcat listener on port 9000. So let's type nc-l-p9000. Perfect. The Netcat listener is up and running, waiting for incoming connections. We're going to run our keylogger executable, Word document.exe. Let's see if the connection gets established. And there we go. The connection has been made from the target machine to our hacker machine. Let's see what the target does. The keylogger has successfully captured the keystrokes from the target machine and sent them to our Netcat listener. Every key the target presses is logged and displayed in real time. This test demonstrates how a keylogger can silently capture keystrokes and transmit them to a remote server. However, remember that using such tools without permission is illegal and unethical. Always use this knowledge responsibly and for educational purposes only. As you can see, the target is typing passwords into Notepad, and we're capturing these keystrokes in real time. The keylogger is also effectively logging keystrokes from Chrome, capturing every detail as the target types. This demonstrates how keyloggers can track and record sensitive information across different applications. To safeguard against keyloggers, always use up-to-date antivirus software and enable your firewall to block unauthorized connections. Keep your system and applications updated with the latest security patches and only download software from trusted sources. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. See you next time.
I think the girls with their nails done now.